Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever tried to find a YouTube channel ID and ended up digging through source code or complicated tools, I've got some great news for you. This right here is the easiest way to extract any YouTube channel ID in just seconds. Whether you're a developer, a digital marketer, or just someone trying to set up an embed, this tool is a total game changer. Before we dive in, let's quickly clear up what a channel ID is. It's a unique string of letters and numbers assigned to every YouTube channel. Think of it like a digital fingerprint. You might need it for APIs, plugins, analytics tools, or even when setting up YouTube feeds on websites. So, why use a channel ID extractor instead of doing it manually? Well, the manual method means right-clicking, inspecting page elements, and scrolling through HTML code. No one has time for that. This tool takes away all the guesswork and gives you the channel ID instantly just by pasting a link. Let me show you how easy it is. Go to youtube-thumbnail-download.org/youtube-channel-id-extractor. Paste the YouTube channel URL right here. It can be a custom URL, a regular channel URL, even a YouTube handle. Click on the blue Get Channel ID button. And just like that, boom, you've got the full channel ID ready to copy. Now, what can you do with the channel ID? If you're setting up YouTube feeds on WordPress or with social plugins, you'll often need this ID. Developers working with the YouTube API, this is a must-have starting point. Want to track your own or competitors' performance in certain SEO tools? Yep, you'll need this tool. Bonus tip, not sure if the channel uses a custom name or handle? No problem. This tool handles both flawlessly. And that's it. Simple, fast and free. The YouTube channel ID extractor is just one of many SEO tools we built to make creators' lives easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.